This video quickly walks you through on how to enable secure boot state in HP, PC, or laptop, alright, that functions with Windows 11 operating system. Let's first check the state, alright? So I'm going to click on Start, then click inside the search area and type System, alright? Then you will see this system information, click on it. You can see here secure boot state is turned off, all right? So we are going to enable this in this video. First, let's close this. Then your next step here is to click on Start again. You may find your settings around here. Okay, you can see settings here. Select it. If you can't find yours here, please click inside the search area and type settings. Okay, to show up as a best match, click on it. Once this page opens, the next step you need to take is to click on Windows Updates. On this Windows Updates page, you need to click on Advanced Options. On getting to this page, please scroll down. So once you scroll down, you get to this recovery section, all right? Click on that recovery. On this recovery page, one of the options here is Advanced Startup. There is a button you see by the right end, okay? So let me show you the button. You will see the button here. You can see the Start Now button. Click on that. Then a notification like this will show up asking you if you want to restart. Then click on Restart Now. Give it time for it to restart, okay? You'll be taken to a page that looks like this. It's now time to start using the arrow keys of your keyboard, okay? Look at the arrow keys here. So I will start pressing the one down until I get to this troubleshoot section, all right? So you need to get to troubleshoot. So once you get there, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Then you'll be taken to this page being shown these options. Use the arrow key again and get to advanced options. So press the enter key of your computer keyboard. You'll be taken to this page again. So use the arrow key until you get to this here. So just use the arrow keys, you will get there, okay? Maybe the up, down, left and right, okay? So once you get to this UEFI firmware setting, okay? Press the enter key of your computer keyboard. You'll be taking here. The next step is to, press, take your cursor here and click on restart. Give it time. All right, so it has finished restarting. You can see the options it gives us there. Startup menu, F1, F2, F10, F9, and F10. F10 stands for BIOS setup, which is where we're interested in. So locate the F10 key on your computer keyboard. You can see mine here, F10. So I'll press on it. Okay, so you'll be taken to this page and their menus at the top there. You can see you can see security, you can see configuration, you can see BIOS options. So use the arrow key that points towards the right and get to that boot options. All right, so I'm in the boot options. Then start pressing the arrow key down. All right, the arrow key down, this particular one. All right, so let me get to the screen again. So keep on pressing it until you get to the secure boot. You can see the secure boot there is disabled in this case. So once you get there, press the enter key of your computer keyboard, all right? Then you will see options here. You can see secure boot and it's disabled. That's why it is highlighted in blue, all right? So use the arrow key and get to enabled. All right, so I press the arrow key down and enabled is selected. So once you're there, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Then you can see it is now enabled. The secure boot is enabled. So to save what we have just done, what you need to do is to press the F10 again. All right, let me position my camera there. The F10 key, you can see that here. So I will press on it. Then I'll get back to my screen. It says save changes and it is it. The yes is selected already because it's highlighted in white. So press the enter key of your computer keyboard. Give it time for it to load. It has loaded, so we need to unlock it. So you unlock it with your password if you are using password to, lock your PC. So I'll press enter and then I will type in my password. I will not show you for security reason. So everything is saved and is now unlocked. Let's check to know if really we have enabled this. For you to check that, what you need to do is to click on the start button of your PC. Once you click that, get to this search area and click. Then type system. All right. System information will show up as the best match. Click on it. Let's get to secure boot state. You can see it's now turned on, which means it has been enabled. If this helps, consider subscribing. Thank you and see you some other time.